Questions in two questions. Anyway.
That we are happy with the way things are. That is the biggest misconception. We are actually unhappy with the way things are. The judiciary, everyone, we have been racking our brains to try to find a solution to expediting these cases. Many of us, including in the Supreme Court, remember, are new appointees to the court. Most of us were appointed in 2009. So we have been pushing to find many simultaneous reform measures that can be put in place. So yun po, wag po kayong maniwala na naniniwala kaming mga huwes na everything is all right. Hindi po kami masaya sa estado ng napakaraming kaso sa mga korte. Alam po namin ang suffering nyo. Alam po namin how it is difficult for any family to sustain a litigation over the long term. And we especially know what it is for a breadwinner of a poor family to be in jail. And the kind of untold adverse consequences that can happen. Yun po ang una. Now, yung untruth tungkol sa akin, or misconception, marami naman pong hula-hula tungkol sa akin. Hindi po kasi yung mga the real story revealed, mga ganun, ano? Hindi ko po nakikita ngayon no, sa forum na ito, ang usefulness ng ganito. Kasi alam ko po, for 18 years, mangyayari yan eh. So bakit po ko itatry na to rectify? Kung kaya ma-rectify at kung sana may mga mabubuting loob na magre-rectify, sila na mag-rectify. Pero kung isasama ko pa yung depensa sa sarili ko, sa dinami-dami po ng trabaho ko, masyadong mahirap na burden na yun. I believe ultimately that my reputation, that vindication will not come from me. But it will come at a later time. Hindi ako ang magsisimula ng ganito kasi nakaka-distract po yun. You try to save yourself, you try to defend yourself. It can be a destructive process. So, hindi ko po tuloy nakita itong forum na ito na as a forum for that, because the message was really to communicate what should be done to help the judiciary. So, if it's okay with you, hindi ko talaga napag-isipan yan. So, maybe I will regret this decision and I'll come back to you and help me.
Please do so, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Ina. Next, we go to Michael Flores, Business World.
Good
Hello,
afternoon,
Michael.
Chief Justice. Thank you for this opportunity. My question centers mainly on vacant salas